Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to look at the total market cap, look at the charts, look at the overall cryptocurrency markets, and we're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin. Make sure you watch to the end to see my price target. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. No pullback on Bitcoin, and yesterday Cis coin was up a lot as well. Bitcoin yesterday I talked about on the hourly, this bull flag, it still didn't break out, which is interesting. Volume dropping off on the weekend, which is what we've been seeing lately since when the ETFs turned off because it's the weekend. So no one's buying the ETFs, and that means that the volume is dropping. So over the weekend, but for some reason on the weekend, the volume has been pumping. So it's quite an interesting how it's playing out. But right now, you can see Bitcoin is not pumping. It's just moving in this symmetrical triangle, but no breakout. So it looks like on the weekend we don't have these big breakout patterns, but this was a bull flag. And yesterday I asked on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru, 83,700 followers. First person to tell me this pattern wins $100 USDT. See this pattern, bull flag on Bitcoin. And as soon as I posted this, it was very funny. This is the power of crypto. So I posted this at 10:09, and then someone answered bullish pennant. Like 1 minute later, many people answered. You can see there was many bullish pennant. That was correct. You can see descending triangle, no head and shoulders pattern. You can see many people saying what it was, but the first person got it in like 5 minutes or a few minutes. And a bullish pennant a few minutes after I said it. And I go, you were the first. Nice bull pennant on Bitcoin. You can see this is the bull pennant formation. And then I sent him the $100 US, all within, please do. And then I said this. I said, how amazing. By the way, how amazing was that? Competition, winner, price sent and received $100 US in a few minutes. Crypto is amazing. So I did that competition over on Twitter, and that's that bullish pennant that's playing out on Bitcoin. You can see here on the hourly. Let's go longer term time frame, weekly. Volume still increasing on the week. We have 23 hours and 32 minutes on the week, which will close the weekly candle as one of the bigger ones. 1.2 million Bitcoin traded compared to the normal 687,000, so almost 2 times the volume on Bitcoin. And again, I'm ready to get out when Bitcoin pumps, but the volume is dropping. That's when I'm looking to get out of the market. Daily, actually, let's look on the weekly. Bitcoin indicator bot, Crypto Guru bot still blue buy, fired at 2023 February. Bitcoin indicator bot, red sell, fired on the ETF, still hasn't fired a red buy, blue buy. You get it in the Crypto Master course, the advanced version. You can see we've got quite a channel here, 59k and 64k. Bitcoin moving sideways as the ETFs are switched off because of the weekend. The trade from yesterday activated, the riskier trade, that's now active, that trade, which is beautiful. And if you haven't taken a trade, I would still be going a trade from the monthly support. So a new trade I would take would be from monthly support. This one, in case there is a big wick down, and activating a trade, and you get in and can take it up to my new $115,000 target, which has been updated after the ETFs. And that's quite interesting. You know why this $115,000 target? Because if we zoom out, you can see the trend line. This is the trend line of the 2 peaks of the previous 2021 bull market. And you can see here, it's above, the 115k is above this trend line, which the big resistance on this trend line would be at 90k. So I find that very interesting, that the target of the bull flags are quite high, 115k for Bitcoin. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Each candle represents 4 hours. Massive volume yesterday, and that volume is dropping off as the weekend is turning on. This is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 61,049, stop loss 60,777, take profit 69k, 90k and 115k. Risk to reward ratio 200 times, risking $271 to make $54,742. Where else in the world can you risk $271 per Bitcoin to make $54,742 with no leverage? 10x leverage is $547,000. With 100x leverage, $5.4 million. This is a mega trade that can be taken on Bitcoin, opening at 61 and it looks like we're going to break down out of this symmetrical triangle to get there, which is interesting. I'm going to show you my trades, and I'm going to show you some stuff at the end, so make sure you watch through to the end. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down below. One is the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. Two is the courses. Take them all before you trade or you're gambling. Take the crypto master course to get the Bitcoin indicator bot, the guru bot. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. This is my Bybit trading account. Up to $776,963, $777,073. If you followed this account, it was mid last year, it was $150,000, now $777,000. And my Bitcoin trade, the Bitcoin funding fee is 0.04, so it's four times the funding fee that it's been lately. This trade is $156,924 in the profits, 1,270% profit on my Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. 156,853, and I already claimed 7,400. I had already claimed like $12,000 profit, but it's slowly eating it away with the funding fees, but still up. So 156,000 plus 7,000 is $163,000. I'm up $163,000 on this Bitcoin trade. This account $777,000, which is beautiful. And this I can spend it directly from my Bybit. By the way, my card is directly connected. My debit card is directly connected to my crypto on my Bybit. You can learn how in the crypto master course, and I can just move funds in here and spend how I want. And last month, so far, I've spent $7,300 from this account, €7,300, and I've got 777,000 while I made it run up from 150,000. So I find that very, very impressive. Over in the Telegram, there's 101 of you online. 97% on Shiba, 223% on Shiba. These are people talking and chatting in the crypto course, in the crypto Telegram, the guru chat, crypto guru chat English. When she finds out you hold Dogecoin, yeah, we bought Doge, which is beautiful. Thank you, James. Made my first $100 profit in a few minutes using your trading method. Thanks, James. I'm just observing. Beautiful. Observe, learn, study, guys. Good. Congratulations on that first 100. And you can just see people chatting. This guy made 187% on Bitcoin. People talking about Adam, about Grow. Told my dad to buy some Bitcoin at 18K. Guess he didn't listen. Ooh. And you can just see people chatting inside the Telegram. Right now, there's 101 of you online trading and chatting together, which is beautiful. Back on my Telegram, my X, which is Twitter, which is now X, that was the competition. FTX Bankruptcy will be the first Chapter 11 bankruptcy where creditors recover 200% of their claims. And I've been saying this for a long time. Someone took out SBF's $1 trillion company for six. They somehow attacked him on that. When that hack happened and the funds, when they went into bankruptcy, they got hacked for 400 million. And what's turning out is that they have billions and billions of dollars of excess money because of all the investments that FTX has done and Solana and stuff like that. So what's interesting is that the creditors are still trying to pay people they're going to pay out 100% of the funds lost on FTX at the bottom of the market, while they have billions and billions of dollars, $30 billion of profit from all the investments that SBF did, which is bullshit. If anyone that held the money on exchanges should, one, be getting all their money back at the current price, not at the bottom of the bear market. It should be the tokens that they had on the FTX exchange at this current price. Two, they should split the rewards of all the investments that SBF did with the funds of their users. They should split those rewards between the users' funds that funded those investments. Not that SBF goes to jail forever and all these banks and stuff take up all the assets that he invested and made profits of billions of dollars that should be going to all the customers because he used their funds to make those profits. But it turns out that they're no longer in the FTX bankruptcy. Will be the first Chapter 11 where creditors recover 200% of their claims. LifeChanging Games for the JCG community. You can see in the chat just many people making crazy games. This was the competition I did where it was answered in a few minutes. First person to tell me, 69 of you answered this pattern, and I gave the winner $100 in a few minutes. It was a very nice competition. Be ready to follow me there. Qubic hits unicorn status, $1 billion market cap. Everyone, every $5,000 in Qubic, when I bought it in May, Santorini, if you remember, who remembers when I was in Santorini on the roofs and I was talking about Qubic and I bought Qubic? based off one super tech guy in the crypto space who's one of the best builders in the space. He was telling me that Qubic and the guy who made Qubic, who made IOTA, is building something incredible, which is AI processing blockchain. And I bought Qubic. I bought $5,000 of Qubic on that day in Santorini. Every $5,000 in Qubic when I bought it in May Santorini is now worth $450,000. Where else in the world can you get that return? Every $5,000 put into Qubic is now, that first buy that I did is now worth $450,000. You heard that right. Every 5,000 bought into Qubic when I bought it in May Santorini is now worth $450,000. Congratulations, everyone. And this is when I posted it in August. Who remembers when I bought 36 billion Qubic in Greece? It's not yet on major exchanges, so I'll hold it. It has 10x since I bought it. And now it's gone up even more since I bought it. And by the way, it's still not on any major exchanges. Every $5,000 I bought in Qubic is now worth $450,000. Amazing. I'm out of town and got a flat on my rental car. The guy that sent to fix it was cool, so I helped him change the tire. We got to talking about crypto and he asked me about advice. I told him to DCA, never sell in the red, and follow James on Twitter and YouTube. True story. Thank you so much. Great jobs, James. BTC, his trade activated yesterday. Our account hitting new all-times high. Doge on the move, which is beautiful. Everyone in crypto, get one of these paddle boards and go with your girlfriend on the beaches now that you're rich. It's so fun. It's the best sport and fitness. It really is. I love it. And you can just see all my posts. The Bitcoin ETFs, by the way, look at the ETFs. They're growing. The volume of the ETFs are growing. It started off in the $1 billion range. As the weeks are progressing, as the months are progressing since the ETF launch, it's now in the $7.5 billion range it hit the other day, which is crazy volume coming into the ETFs. Yesterday we had major gains on Doge, etc. Jesus summarized it for us beautifully. The greatest commandment, teacher, which is the greatest commandment in the law? Jesus replied, love thy God, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself. All the laws and the prophets hang on these two commandments. Jesus literally summarized the Bible for us, guys. He's like, love each other, love yourself, and love God and love each other. Which is beautiful. He summarized it. I find that quite amazing. Ethereum, crypto guys, entire net worth is in this man's hands.
No. Go ahead.
Yeah. UFOs as well.
Yeah, but it's got a kitty.
Interesting.
So the question is, we can imagine a use of the technology that allows you to monetize personal data because the cost has gone down, but we don't know. I don't think anybody sitting in this room is going to know what...
Hey, what's up?
I still think Ethereum is going to 10K, but I find this video very funny. And you can just see everything I've been sharing the last days over on X. And our gains, again, this account, $776,734 in the last 7 days, up from 642,000 to 776. So I made 134,000 in the last 7 days. In the last month, from 502,000 to 776. So I made 274,000 in the last 30 days on this account, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Congratulations on Bitcoin, on Qubic, on all the trades. Someone posted yesterday that they... Let's see if I saved that post, because I really like those comments. No, that's Qubic. No, someone didn't... There was a post where someone posted how they turned... It was in the Telegram. I want to try and find it. They turned a few... Let's see, it was here yesterday. 489% on Pixel. He was saying how he turned... Oh, I don't know where it is. But he turned a few dollars into like a few $100, a few $1,000. I love that, seeing those kind of posts. But I can't see 270. But this is still since this morning. It's just the morning here, 7 a.m. in the morning. And you can see everyone's post. But there was like someone who posted that they turned a few $100 into a few $1,000, which is beautiful. This guy just posted 54% on Shiba. Love the golden Shiba. 94%. Everyone's cleaning up on Shiba. I want to find this post where he said... Okay, next time. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to analyze anything, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.